in there, Rugos? Fuck this nigga. Morre bateu assim. Calma, calma. Oh, hell no. That's my boy. Oh, go, go. Hey, work that shit. Can you play this or?
Yes, bro. I'm gonna play.
You can. You can, bro.
I can play middle.
This guy can play tomorrow. He can be T.
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah, I couldn't play, but I can't play because I fucking got injured.
Can't play because you're fat.
I'm a fucking you?
Can't play because you're fat.
You?
You.
Fuck no. My fucking back got fucked up. Before it was broke. I fucked it up 2 weeks ago. Yeah, but the show up the press it there.
Oh shoot, bro. I don't want to show my team yet.
Huh?
I don't want to show my team yet.
This guy's supposed to make this guy play. Right?
I'm the star player.
You're a star dancer.
I'm pregnant.
Why did you guys dance, bro? Did you see the guy that commented on the video? The fucking hating ass nigga.
Which one? On what video?
On his dancing video.
I fucking replied to him. Don't be a party.
Yeah, I was gonna comment. Never mind. This nigga's probably a kid. Didn't reply to him. Damn, why the windows are open now? Two.
Get back,
Huh?
Get back.
Fuck yeah. Wow. That's a dog. Oh, it's Egyptian. It's almost 7.
This guy. It didn't work. Who's this?
Your wife miss you, Jerry. Go bater aqui, freezer. There's my drink from last night. I saved it. Saved it.